Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Megabonk crashing on Steam. First, right-click on the Start menu and select Run. Now type %, and click on OK. Here, select all the temporary files and delete them to clear up space and remove corrupted files. After that, go back and again right-click on the Start menu and select Run. Now type temp and click on OK once again. Here, delete all the files to make sure no leftover cache is causing the crash. Next, go back and search for Windows Defender Firewall in the search bar, then click on it. Here, click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall from the top left side. Now check the allowed apps and features to make sure Steam and Megabonk are both allowed through the firewall. After that, go back and search for Windows Updates, then click on Check for Updates. Then click on Check for Updates again to make sure your system is up to date. Finally, once the updates are done, go back and restart your computer to apply all the changes and fix the crashing issue. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.